The heat seems to be getting to Siddaramaiah, and we are not just referring to the mercury levels. This time, the Karnataka Chief Minister finds himself at the centre of yet another controversy for publicly berating and nearly slapping a senior police officer at a political rally. This fallout has been swift, and the political heat is only rising. On April 20th, during a Congress protest rally in Karnataka against rising prices, tempers had fled, not just among protesters, but from the Chief Minister himself. Some agitators had begun waving black flags, and in a moment of visible rage, Siddaramaiah called a senior police officer on stage and appeared to raise his hand at him, attempting to slap the officer in full public view. Humiliated by Chief Minister's behaviour, the officer reportedly offered to resign. What was meant to be a political protest had turned into a public embarrassment for the state's top cop. Following India Today's extensive coverage, the Karnataka Home Minister stepped in, calling the officer directly.
ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅವರ ಹತ್ರ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಪೋಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಏನು ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದು ಸ್ಪರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮೂಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಆದರೆ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನೇ ಕೂಡ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಮಾನ್ಯ ಎಚ್ ಕೆ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ರವರು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಪೋಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ.
But the damage was done and the visuals already gone viral. When asked about the slapgate row by journalists, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah lost his cool once again.
ಸರ್ ಬೆಳಗಾಮ ಸಾಧನಾ ಸಮಾವೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸಿಪಿ ಅವರು ನಾರಾಯಣ್ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಂತೆ ಸರ್ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಂತೆ ಈಗ ಅವರು ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ
The BJP had gone on the offensive, calling Siddaramaiah the lottery chief minister and accusing him of arrogance.
Complete arrogance of the chief minister. He has done this before also. Once he has done this to an IAS officer, he has asked him to get out of the stage. This shows his high-handedness. He doesn't have any respect for the officers. There have been the Congress leaders, not only the chief minister, everyone has been treating the officers as their, slaves, not even servants, like slaves. Yeah. And they are not given any kind of respect. They are made to run around, and if someone opposes, they are transferred immediately.
First a public slap attempt, then a press room meltdown. The big question now, should a chief minister who publicly lashes out at police officers and journalists continue to command moral authority? Has Chief Minister Siddaramaiah's temper now become the political liability?
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.